Hello guys, and welcome back for another Jasmy price prediction analysis video. And on today's update video, I will be discussing a potential breakout scenario that can easily give us a bounce to the 0.012 in the next coming hours, and above all discuss my long-term perspective of the chart. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video on the daily chart by first focusing on the long term. Here on the daily chart, you can see that from the highs we made on the 6th of December last year, we started a massive breakdown move to the lower side in a move that has now given us a low below the 0.01021, and that happened on the 31st of March 2025. And from the highs we made in December, you can see that the market is now down more than 82.78%, and that is a very significant breakdown move to the lower side. And there are high chances that very soon we are going to have a low in place in this breakdown move and then start another aggressive bounce to the upper side, and that will be indicated the moment we get a break to the upper side of this descending trend line that I have here on the chart, which will be the first indication that we are now starting to see a market structure shift here on the charts. And all I will be watching for is a break above significant swing highs and a break above significant key areas of resistances. And in that bounce to the upside, we also need to see some impulsive structures. And from the lows we made on the 31st of March, which is our most recent low, there are high chances that we could now have a low in place in this massive breakdown move. And if we get an impulse to the upper side over here, then that will be the first indication that we have a low in place, and there are high chances that in the next coming days we are going to continue seeing higher prices. And at the time of this recording, I have an additive structure which I'm observing, which is an impulse, where we can term this bounce over here as a wave 1. Then we saw a bit of a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, and whatever is playing out at the moment is the formation of an additive count 3. Then we can expect a wave 4 and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that impulsive additive count 5. And the minimum target areas for these wave 3 can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then pulling the fibs to the low of the second wave. And on so doing, the area that we need to pay attention to in the formation of these wave 3 lies on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.01182 as our next target area, an area that we can easily maximize in the next coming hours. Then we can expect a pullback in the formation of this wave 4 and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5. And the moment we get a complete impulse to the upside, then we can term that as a larger additive count 1. And then from that point, we can expect a bit of a pullback in a wave 2, then expect a wave 3, a wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in an impulsive additive count 5. And if we continue obeying this additive structure over here, then that means that on the daily chart, we are also going to get another bounce, giving us a break to the upper side of this descending trend line, and maybe at some point even get a retest. And the moment that plays out, then that will be the first indication that Jasmy is now ready to give us another bounce after this significant breakdown move to the lower side. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the Jasmy chart, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.